Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have found a solution to my neck pain that is as easy as falling asleep on a pillow. This pillow is from OPTP. It's the original McKenzie cervical pillow. So it is literally round cylinder of foam. It comes in a cover that you can unzip and wash very easily. It's small enough to travel because I cannot sleep on a foreign pillow. I have to sleep on my own pillow. And there's really two ways that I use this. I either place this inside a traditional pillow and then prop it up underneath my neck. And most frequently, I use it alone. So I sleep right on my mattress with this pillow underneath my neck. I have found that I do not have the headaches I was having or the pain and tension in my neck. So if you are suffering from tension in your shoulders or neck or headaches because of neck pain and you're struggling to find the right support, I am a back sleeper and a side sleeper, and I have successfully slept with this pillow alone or inside a traditional pillow. And when I wake up, I do not have the same tension I was having. So I definitely highly recommend this. Try this if you are having neck pain, if you're not able to sleep well. This is giving me just the right amount of support, even without anything else. And I love the fact that it's small enough so that I can travel with it. And that is my point of view.